gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Paco, it's time to
Oh, wow, 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 wow! Sigurado mananakaw na naman kayo sa kaligayahan ngayong gabi dahil limpak-limpak na salapi, pamasahe at regalo ang ipapamigay sa inyo ni Ninong Manny. Maupay nga gabi, haiyo tanan sa mga kaibigan ng Bisaya.
Pau! Siyempre, dito sa Manny Manny Prizes, hindi lang pamasahe ang sagot namin. Kami rin ang sasagot sa mga kahilingan ninyo. Mga kapuso sa Ilocos, na imbag nga rabi, kanyayo amin. Kaya eto na ang non-stop kantahan at sayawan with the hits of 80s pop icon Madonna. Kasama natin sila Rian Ramos, Carla Abellana, Diva Montalaba, Vanessa Del Moral at Jessica Fong! Ayun na!
Simulang sayaw dahil Manny Manny Prizes na!
She
Darating itong taong to.
Correct. Feeling special day kasi kapag nakakasama natin siya.
Sino kaya yan? Siyempre, sino pa nga ba ang tinutukoy namin? Siyempre, ang ninong ng buong Pilipinas, Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Yay! Hello sa inyo lahat! Maraming salamat, Rian, Carla, and Francesca. At siyempre, handa na ba kayo lahat? Handa na ba kayo sa isa na namang matinding laban? Sagot ko yan. Ngayon pa lang, dito sa Money Mini Prizes. Pero, ito ang pinaka-paborito kong laban. Showdown sa kantahan! Alam niyo na. Kaya tatawagin ko na ulit si Francisca Far na maging kasama ko sa boxing along. Kaya ano pang hinintay nyo? Mag-boxing along na tayo!
Go, Francesca!
Room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two, their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close, but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Ngayon naman, Pekto! Sino yung kasama mo?
Ayan, ito! Hoy, ano ba kayo? Ayan, kasama ko si Ana Wakis. Taga Marinduque ito. Pakitaan mo si Ninong Ana, ha? Ana, ready ka na? Crazy for you.
Trying hard to control my heart. I walked over to where you are. Eye to eye, we need no words at all.
Ana, takbo ka na kay Ninong! May!
Yes! I'm here, Becto! Becto, ako kasama ka naman si Milet Ariola. Look at her! From Bicol, Milet! Make them go crazy for you!
Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath I'm deeper into you. Soon we two are standing still in time. If you read my mind.
Wow, napakagaling mo! Takbo na kay Nino! Beto, where are you in the country?
Yes!
Hey!
Thank you very much, May! Mag-ingat naman tayo dyan! Ho! Ayan, ako! Ito naman po kasama kayo si Elaine Diaz sa Pampanga. Ako, galing pa to sa aming isla. Tagang kumain ng napakadaming buko rice. Ate, kayang-kaya?
Kaya.
Okay, hit it!
See, I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. You feel it in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy for you.
Galing! Ang gagaling! Ang galing! I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you, babe. Oh, Dinky yun. Si Dinky yun. Okay. Ayan, ang gagaling ng tatlong mga kontista natin. Kaya may tag 5,000 na kaagad. Ayan. 5,000, 5,000. Okay. At hindi dyan nagtatapos dahil si Ninong magdadagdag ng 10,000 sa isa sa inyo. Kung sino ang pinakamagaling bumirit dito sa gitna. Ha? Ang ating magiging judge, si Francisca at ang ating mga audience. Okay.
Nong, mauna na ako.
Oo, ikaw mauna.
Mauna ako noon, yung manok ko noong taga, taga Marinduque. Si
ano?
Ana Wakis. Wakis, ha? Okay, Ana? Ready ka na? Smile ka muna sa kanila. Yan. Okay. Yay! Sige, go.
You see, I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You feel it in my kiss. You feel it in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Thank you.
Galing, ang galing. Ayun mo na.
Okay.
Sa'yo mo na, May.
Okay, sige. Naku, kasama ko ngayon. Si
anong-
Milet Ariola. Naku po, look at her. Okay ka ba? Si Milet po ay taga Bicol. Kaya naku po ha, itayo mo ang bandera ng mga taga Bicol. Go for it!
See, I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. You feel it in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you.
Okay, God bless you.
Look at
Ninong,
that.
Ninong, ito naman ang pambato ko. Ipatutunayan po ni Elaine Viñas sa mga taga-Pampanga. Make some noise, mga taga-Pampanga. Ayan, tama ba, Elaine?
Yes,
Okay, ha, kayang-kaya mo yan, ha? Hingang malalim.
exhale.
Exhale lang, ha? Ganun na. Okay, Elaine, hit it!